I'm just going to go back, you know that? I am going to go back. Yeah, I'll take photos elsewhere. Select the right gear, that's it. That's better. So yeah, so the North Coast 500 I want to do Ireland, and well, maybe that's it. Maybe I won't be ambitious. I mean, as it suggests in the title of this video, I'm riding a Triumph Street Scrambler, so it's not really made for big touring. It's not really made for touring at all, but no bike is not tourable on. Actually, there are loads of bikes you can't tour on. What am I talking about? But anyway, what I'm trying to say is this will be fine for a couple of days, and that's really only the tours I'm interested in. Before I bought this bike, I tested and came very, very close to buying the Tiger 900 GT Pro, which I totally fell in love with. At the time I thought I would be doing bigger tours, and then realised, you know what, I'm not doing bigger tours at all. It'll be the odd long weekend, so I don't need a big touring bike, not that that's particularly big. Anyway, long story short, and I have this. This is magnificent. What a road. What a difference when there's no cars behind you as well. Clear road in front of you. The sun behind you. Magnificent views.